Okay, hey guys, it's Singular Anthony here again with another FaceFusion tutorial video. This one on how to get FaceFusion 3.6 running on Vast.ai. I've tried to make this as easy as possible, so if you just follow along with basically 2 or 3 easy steps, you'll be face swapping with a high-speed GPU as fast as you can. First thing you're going to want to do is log into FaceFusion, go to the billing section and add some credits. It's quite affordable to use, as you'll see. When you hit the link in the when you hit the link in the description below next to the tutorial, you'll be brought to the page that looks like this. You want to make sure it says FFVAST 3.6.0 here, show that you're using the right template. And then what I recommend is you hit the drop down. It'll look like this. First time you get on, hit the drop down, go to RTX 50 series, and choose the RTX 5090. That's going to be the fastest option for you. Then, next thing I would do is look for a computer or an instance with a high upload and download speed. That's going to really come in favor for you. As you can see, this one's only 50 cents an hour. You can even get cheaper options if you want to, but I'll go with that. Another thing to just keep in mind is you want to look at the location. Not to say that there's anything wrong with China or certain other locations like Russia and the Ukraine, but I would recommend maybe sticking to a location that's within your jurisdiction or a jurisdiction that you feel safe running a computer in without worries of cyber attacks or hacking. The other thing is you can up your container size. I keep mine around 250 gigabytes. You can use as little as you need. I recommend nothing lower than 128 gigabytes though. So what you're going to do is hit rent, wait for the little green pop-up indicating that everything's been successful. Then we're going to go over to instances right here on the left. As you can see, the computer you've rented is up and running. We're just going to wait for it to finish downloading everything it needs and actually start the instance of FaceFusion running. So it'll take a few minutes. I'll fast forward this part and come back to you when it's ready. Okay, that was nice and quick. It only took about 2 minutes, as you can see here. If it takes any more than 5 minutes to see running here, I would hit the trash can, delete the instance, and go and search for a new one that would work faster for you. But most should work pretty quickly on your first try. So again, you're looking for running, and then you can go to the next step, which is hitting here on this IP address, copying this address down here, including the port, right click, double click on Mac, copy, open a new tab, paste it, and you've got FaceFusion running. A couple things I would recommend setting wise. So you hit TensorRT, that'll be your fastest option. Go to 16 thread count and adjust memory strategy to Tolerant. Last thing I recommend is under Face Detector model, go to Many. You'll see it will download a couple extra models for you. That won't affect the speed of your face swaps, but will improve them. And you've got FaceFusion ready to go. One thing to keep in mind that I would just warn you about is when you do use TensorRT, the first time you use it, it's going to take a little while to run. Give it anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to start running using TensorRT, and any any runs you run after that will go faster right from the beginning, and you won't regret using TensorRT. If you don't want to wait for your first one too long, you can use CUDA, but I highly recommend using TensorRT. All you gotta do is click here to choose your target and your source, and you can upload them directly from your computer there. And if you need any help with how to use FaceFusion, I recommend using their documentation on their website, docs.facefusion.io, or you can look up an account on YouTube called Shady Endeavors. They have a lot of great tutorials on FaceFusion. So I hope that was helpful. It's nice and quick, gets you running face swaps as fast as possible, and using some of the most powerful computers and GPUs on the face of the earth. So I hope you subscribe to my channel for more FaceFusion and AI tips in the future. And this is Single Anthony saying goodbye for today. Thanks. Leave comments and questions in the comment section, and I'll try to get to them as quick as possible. A like would be nice too. Bye.